am a Prathamam Gowda.
I am a prince.
We are from grade 4.
The important part of digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, anus.
Digestive system help us to digest our food. Mouth help us to chew the food, and then it will go to esophagus, then it will go to stomach. Stomach secrete the digestive juices and soften the food. Then it will go to small intestine. Small intestine are the main part of digestive system. Small intestine are the important part of digestive system. It helps us to absorb the nutrients present in the food. Then it goes to large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the water. Finally, the waste produced is removed through anus. Thank you.